Hey everyone, hope you're all well. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Wix website using only AI without touching a single design tool, writing a line of code, even brainstorming content. Everything I'm going to use is going to just be with AI. No manual edits or templates either. So whether you're starting a business or a side hustle or you just want a portfolio site, this could change the game for you. So let's see what Wix AI can really do. And now it's really stepped up with built-in AI tools. They've got the Wix ADI to help create the structure. They've got built-in AI text generator to help write your content within the builder itself. And they've even got AI suggestions for design, images, and SEO as well. So in today's video, we're going to use all of them and only them as well. So first thing that you want to do is log in or sign up for a Wix account if you haven't already got one. Signing up for a Wix account is completely free. It's only whenever you go to launch your site and connect a custom domain is when you would need to start paying for a plan. But for now, you can create a free account. So we are going to create a new site using the Wix editor. This is a really simple editor to use, and we've got a bunch of videos as well in our channel if you want to see a bit more in depth of how the editor works. But now, whenever you click on the editor, you are going to be met with the AI design assistant, and the AI design assistant will basically work as a guide to help you build out a website that you'd like. It'll be in the form of a chat essentially, and they will ask you questions about the site that you want to create, the business that you're wanting to promote, and then using that information, they'll design your site, add all the relevant apps and details, things like that. So what we'll do is click on Start Chat, and it will first ask you things like, tell me what your site is about. So in this example, we can say we want an e-commerce website for my range of baby-led weaning apparel. And if you aren't sure about what kind of answers that they're actually looking for, what you can do is click on the Help Me Answer section. So I'll give you suggestions on how to answer the questions that they're asking for. So for example, they ask, what is the main goal of your business or project? What it is that you're hoping to achieve with your website, and hoping to increase my sales through online. And whatever else you think that you want to add for the AI to know about. And you'll see the AI is just processing, and then it'll ask you for things like, what is the name of your business or project? Food store. And this is where you want to just give the name of your business, basically, or the project that you want to name it. And just one by one, you're going to go through and answer the questions that the AI is essentially asking for. As you're filling in the information and as the AI is processing your answers, you'll see on the left a site profile will start to build, and they'll basically essentially build a profile of your site using the answers that you've given it. So what is the main target for your baby weaning apparel? Under 5. And it'll kind of update your site profile with the different types of contents. For example, it's identified the type of site that you would like, the types of apps that the AI thinks would be useful. And then it'll ask you just additional things as well. So do you have any additional goals, and things like that. And you can agree with what they want. So you can say, yes, provide educational resources in the form of blogs. And then using that, it'll just go through and see what apps would be the most useful for the type of website that you're wanting to create. And you can see our site profile being built with the different goals that we have in mind. It's worth noting that everything that's set up with the AI isn't set in stone. So if you finish this process and actually you realize that they've added maybe an app that you don't need, that can be removed. Everything can be tweaked and changed to your liking. But the AI kind of gives you a kind of starting off point whenever you are building your website for the first time. You'll notice with every suggestion that you give it, you do have the option to skip the question if you don't have an answer for it. Or if you think it's not relevant. But keep in mind, the more information that you give the AI, the more accurate and more to your liking your website will be. And perfect. So once you're done, it will say that you're all set, and it will take you through to your dashboard. And that's where you can go through and start selecting different edits to your website and creating products, essentially things like that. So this is our Wix dashboard that's finally being loaded. We can see the name of our website up here, and then we've got everything to do with website. We've got a home, a setup guide to kind of take us through step by step what we need to do, connecting customer domain, setting up payment method, adding first products, and setting up shipping and delivery, things like that. So you've got a good kind of starting off point to help you with this as well. And you've got a section for your blogs, your apps, and things like that. So if we click into the app section, we can see what apps have been added onto the website so far. I think when we looked at our site profile, it had added a blog and e-commerce section as well. And again, so if there's an app there that you think that you don't need, all you need to do is just get rid of it, essentially. So for example, the Wix restaurant orders, probably don't need that one, so you can just hit delete. You will need to go to your editor to delete the actual functionality, but you can remove the apps as well. So let's move on to actually designing our site. We go back to home and we're going to click on design site. And so from here, you'll get two more options. You'll get to generate a design with AI, so get a personal site design in seconds, or use a customizable template. In this example, we are going to generate a design, but we have also other videos using a template as well at this point. And here we go. So this is another AI design assistant. This will help us actually create the website design for us. And it works similar to how the previous one worked, as the previous setup assistant worked. It will just ask you some questions, it'll show you some examples, and you just kind of talk through with it basically and give them your feedback. And then from there, it will help you design your website. So here we have our kind of site brief that we've got. So baby food store, your e-commerce store will be based on the site profile that they put together. It has a site structure with one page. Site content will be generated based on our site description. And then the site theme as well will be set up with the AI. So you can see it does quite a lot of the work for you, and it talks you through every single step, and it's kind of thinking, and it's all based on the feedback that you've given it as well. And again, something that to memorize with Wix is that everything is customizable. You can change the colors, fonts, you can change the content, you can change the different apps that's being used. The whole point of it is that you get a kind of starting off point and you can tailor it to exactly how you need. But hopefully with the amount of information that we give the AI, it should come up with a design that has a minimal tweaking for us as possible. And you can see it start to build the website in front of us basically. So this is what we have so far. You've got the main kind of nav bar, logo, explore our collection, some content, top picks, and it's all kind of tailored to the information that we've given it. It's got the imagery is being used that's in line with what we need. It's got some content as well. And we have the option to kind of regenerate the design and with one big title, or we can tweak the design as well, or you can continue with the design as is. So if we were to click on, for example, tweak design, it will allow us to make a few changes to the Wix site. And the regenerate design will just regenerate a whole new website if you're really not happy with it. And you can see we've got version 2 of our website as well. With a few changes, we've got a nice section for special offers to add more content, a title section for the popular picks, and we've got a section now for About Us. And the new kind of tweak design has come up with a bit more content, which is great. And you can just continue tweaking it as you need. So for example, if we click on site theme, you can see the word theme is highlighted. So this will allow you to change the site theme. So for example, if we go into site theme and say, actually, we want different theme colors. So right now the theme has a soft, gentle design with a primary color of light goldenrod yellow, a secondary color of lavender blush, and additional color of dark purple. We can say change theme to be more pastel colors. To use more pastel colors. So then the generator will take into consideration what we've said, and then allow us to kind of tweak different layouts as well. So we'll just give it a minute and see what it comes up with. So this is our version 3 of our website. And we just X out of this one. So baby food e-commerce. So the site brief will continually change with every tweak that you make it. And then obviously regenerate design will just allow you to regenerate the whole website and give a new template as well. And okay, so now the theme has updated to use more of the pastel colors, and you can see now, so the site theme features more modern fonts and a friendly, playful design in shades of cream and blue. And then the layout has stayed the same. So you can really tweak it with different parts of it. So you can change site description, structure, the layout type, and the theme, and allow you to kind of tweak the design yourself or regenerate the whole design. But once you're happy with it, all you need to do is to click continue with the design, and then you can complete your site basically. So at this point, you can create and buy your own domain if you don't have a domain just yet, and connect it, or you can continue to the editor. So we are going to, for now, continue to the editor and see what other changes that we can make as well. So you can see now it's just adding the final touches to the website. It's added in a shop page, and it just takes a little bit to add in all the apps, site design, and menus and things like that. But from once the site has been loaded and the design has been loaded in as well, we can go in and make whatever changes it is that we want to make to the content, to the products, to the styling, things like that. So now let's take a look at some of Wix's built-in content generation. Wix's built-in content generation is a very underrated tool that they have. Instead of just sitting there trying to come up with a perfect headline or writing paragraphs from scratch, I can just click on any text element on this page and hit generate text with AI. Wix will then ask me a few short questions like what the section is about, what tone do you want, what target audience it is. It's like actually talking with a mini copywriter, but it's built right into the platform. So let's give it a go. So this is an about page, and I'm going to click into the title here, and I'm going to click on generate text with AI. So let's create the text you need, just describe what you want, and we'll have it in no time. So this is text for the about section for my baby-led mini online store. And you want to, whatever information that you want in that paragraph, you just give it to them. You just let Wix know. So for example, high quality, safe materials used, trusted by parents. Established in 2014. Literally anything that you want mentioned in the paragraph. And you don't have to give like full sentences, just a few like sentences here and there. And it'll start writing out the text. So once I fill that out, it gives me the text that I want, and it's tailored to your brand and style. And if you don't like it, you can just hit regenerate, and it'll come up with a new option. So for example, we welcome to our baby-led reading apparel store. Since 2014, we've been dedicated to providing high-quality clothing made from safe materials that you can trust for your little ones. Our products are designed with both functionality and style in mind, ensuring that your baby can explore the world comfortably and confidently. So what you can do with this, you can either click on use text, or you can ask it to rephrase. You can ask it to make it shorter, change the tone to be more enthusiastic, translate it as well, or you can see more and see what else that you can do as well. And if it's small tweaks that you just need, you can just use the text or copy it and then just change it yourself. And all I need to do is tweak it to how I need, or use it how it's been made basically. And you can do the same thing with titles as well. So this is a heading that we have. And again, I'm just going to click into the element, and I'm going to click on generate text with AI. And I'm just going to say heading to introduce my about page for my baby led. And again, it will just help write your text however way you need it basically. So for anyone who finds content writing sort of overwhelming or time consuming, using this tool is a massive win. The quality is great, the copy As long as you look over it, can be human, structured well, and it's written with a clear purpose. So whether it's a mission statement, service descriptions, product descriptions, even call to actions, it can handle it all. And all you need to do is just click on use text as well. So what we'll do is we'll make this one shorter. Behind art and commitment to provide high quality products. And again, we'll just say make it shorter. And you'll just use the text however way you need, basically. So should you use Wix AI for your site? Wix AI is great. It's really helps with the time-consuming aspect of building a website. It's really beginner-friendly as well. It's great for freelancers, quick demos, e-commerce sites as well, because it kind of takes in everything that you had given it and create a whole new website for you yourself. It's definitely the faster way, and it's all mobile responsive as well. So quite a few pros with using the Wix AI, and all of the AI is built into the Wix site. You don't need to use a separate platform for the content or the image generation or the template. It's all within the one platform. Some cons to kind of be aware of is that it is slightly generic, some of the templates and content, unless it's refined. So you'll see with some of the content that we generated, we did ask it to kind of refine it a bit, make it shorter, add more content, change the kind of template styling as well. So you do kind of have to have that human interaction and human input into it as well. It is better for sort of service-based websites or simple business websites as well. If you're wanting to scale up and have a much bigger website, Wix in general would not be a suitable option for you. Instead, you're looking more at the WordPress aspect. But in terms of using the AI to get started with a website, with a builder, with a clean, good quality design, I think the AI is great. It's really quick. From in under 30 minutes, we went from a blank page to a live site or a site ready for live as well. So definitely some things to consider. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like and thumbs up as well, and subscribe for more videos as well. We've got loads of videos all about Wix and AI generated content and how to use AI within websites. So if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.